So, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Down South Drift Garage. Today, we're actually going to a little car meet. We haven't been out and active in the community in a minute because car's been down. So now the truck is down, but got the car up and running again last night. Gave it a little wash. Well, it's right around. It was cold this morning, so we're gonna start it up, let it warm up for a minute. And then we're gonna head out to the Dutch Bros car meet, which is in Plano. It's not too far, a little 30-minute drive, but starts up every time. I love that. This is great. So right now we're sitting at 82 degrees, well 80 in here right now. Battery's still charging, which is good. But we're gonna let it warm up to about 120, 130. My running temp's about 140 on average whenever I'm just cruising. It stays about 140, 150. But it is a cold day outside, so you know what that means. That's turbo weather. So we're not gonna beat on it too hard. We're just gonna get it there and back. Just get out there, enjoy the time, community, and yeah. So we'll see you guys at the car show. I'll give you guys some updates when we get there. So on the way over to the car meet, pulled up on Chandler, because you know we gotta roll out there together.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Down South Drift Sunday Fun Day. Pulling the cars out, my CMV. We got the hoopty.
He's got his ready to go. It's already started and waiting for me. I just pulled up. Off to the Dutch Bros meet now.
I need some air right here in this tire before we go.
All right, and we get back in my car now. Push to start life. Car show, Chandler.
It's got 15. What's up, bro? We made it.
You should have reversed your car.
You know, when I first bought this car, I parked it right there and installed its first little parts to it.
Did you?
Yeah.
We made it. We'll give you guys a rundown of the cars here in a little bit. All right, guys, we made it to the car show. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna go get a drink at Dutch Bros, but
Let's go get some drinks and coffee.
Tandem kit on the FRS. There were no other Nissans that we would have parked by them.
240s here, bro.
There might be one over here. I see one. I see a convertible. Let's go look at it. That means we gotta come bring them over here now. So we need to come bring our cars over here. I'm bringing my car over here. Let's go. We'll get a drink in just a second.
Alrighty.
We're at the Dutch Bros. It's all the way zoomed out. Yeah.
These right here. These yellows. That's it. Hey, let's go check out this vert over here real quick. I totally missed this.
I think I've seen him at car shows before. Need that steering wheel. Alright. It's not even a vert, it's a coupe.
Oh yeah, it is cool.
It's just black top.
I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking through the lens, honestly.
40 gang.
Do you approve?
Woo! Look on our babies over there. Look at this first gen you get.
Lives.
The rest of the water.
Big lives.
Damn, son.
2J. Little turbo. Oh, that's not a 2J, is it?
Yeah, it is. That's a 1J. On BBS's.
A little behind on my Swappies.
The Celica? Why? Report that.
I'm not gonna report that. He's gonna get the cops calling. Should all jump him and take his keys. Oh, look, he's Aaron now.
Celica? That's clean. R32. Right-hand drive R32.
BTS.
That's dope.
Another.
This is a 180. This is an actual 180. That's bad. That's mean, bro.
A white center.
That's mean. This is a true 180. That's sick. That's sick.
Go chicken brown right there.
You got the kit and everything.
It matches the
Bam. That's dope. That's dope. That's sick. That's sick.
Got some Hondas right here, the Cobalt. Yeah.
I had one.
Bro, this is sick.
This thing is like minty clean. One raised T37. That's badass. That's sick. That's dope.
Here, I need to swap hands with this in the camera. Okay, let me have it back now. There you go. Dang, bro, that almost got me. Some trannies over there. Look at this Subaru lineup. Let's go see that Type 1.
MR2. I think it's dope. I think it's mean. Big old tires.
Carbon fender.
Oh, the carbon fenders. Okay. Fun is that bad? And the carbon wing. With some more EK.
Some more EKs.
That's dope.
DX.
That's dope.
DX.
That's sick.
And this right here. Ooh, the big Brembos in the front.
The Type R.
Let's get these right here.
Yeah, these ES are dope.
We got those when we pulled up. Well, nice.
That's the majority of the cars here.
Yeah. So here, hold this real quick. Alright, so This is our first little meet that we've been to over here in Reno, and right up the little drift cars. You know, got a lot of cars over here, some respectable build.
Even though it's ugly under here. I didn't wash the underside.
Oh. Well, well, well.
The K truck.
The Honda.
Yeah,
I know. Bruh, yeah. That's so tight. My shadow's in the way, y'all. Sick build.
Alright, we're back from the car show. Got the car in, it ran fine. Buddy Sauce came over and he's got a leak right here. The whole pipe is bad right there, so we're gonna replace that. We gotta take the air box off to get there. Be pretty simple, but we'll get it done pretty quick.
Good? Alright, we're recording. Alright guys, so how do we get this thing? Okay, so we're out here doing a little bit of work, you know, we're fixing this up. Boys are over there getting a vacuum leak fixed. Got the 240 over there. And we got a little black car over here. Show you what we got going on. We're gonna change these. Of course, they're too small and we don't want to run fitment like that, but we got our tire off. Just got back from the meet. We did a little bit of slidey, boys. Got some action. Today we're gonna roll the fender. We did it a little bit, you know, just so we can have clearance. But we're gonna go ahead and put a spacer on there. Just got a little cheap $20 spacer, so drift car. I'm doing my thing over here. I'm being clumsy, guys, but anyways, we're gonna throw this little spacer on. We're gonna give it another roll. What about these rotors? Are no good, we know. Probably what caused a lot of vibration, we realized, but our pads are good, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. Now this side, as far as that goes, we're a little high on this side. We're gonna raise it today. Not raise it, we're gonna pull the wheel off, lower it, and try to get a good roll on this fender. I wanted to stay stock body for as long as I can. I'm a true firm believer of it, so we put a spacer on this, lower it a little bit, should look a little bit better. Not trying to go too far from the front, but you know, slowly getting there, so see you guys in a little bit. Alright, here we are, guys. We got it on. Put the spacer on, and we did a good roll. Yesterday we tried to take off and head to Oliver's, the garage, and we ate a bit of our tire, but I think we're good to go now. We did a slight roll. I'm just kind of worried about this side. I have faith in myself, but if we cook it, we cook it. Drift car, baby. Little update on Sauce's whip. We got the boot on there. Yeah. Kind of a pain in the ass, but nice and fresh. Get better gas mileage. It's probably cracked. You know, come to find out, that's what happened to my Nissan Sentra also. The rubber deteriorates on there, and it was making my car, you know,
sputters like the
I thought my trans was going out.
Yeah, exactly. But it's just a $20 hose.
Wrong air getting to the mass airflow.
You that. You didn't listen to me.
Yeah, well, we're doing it now.
Heck yeah. see that t-shirt. Ooh, shout out Devotion. Yep, so we're just having a Sunday fun day. Hopefully we'll be able to get all of this in one video. We're starting to build up quite a bit of content for you guys. We don't know how interested you guys will be in it, but we're gonna go ahead and just roll with it anyways, and just a moving and a grooving. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. Going out for testing. We'll see the reaction whenever he gets back. I was trying to get a video from the back seat, but it's all gutted right now. It's unsafe and there's no seat belts. So me and Larry, we're gonna hang out here, huh, bud? He wants to go too. Anyways, we went ahead and did one roll on this fender right here. And it was just to essentially do the inside lip. We're gonna go ahead and lower the car a little bit more and try to match the other side. So if you guys want, you know, we're gonna try to get as much content as we got right now. So as much content as we can, but car's slowly coming together. So we're happy. That's all that matters. We don't care what anyone else thinks, and that's one thing about us. You know, we're out here having fun, just doing what we do, doing the only thing we know, really, you know. So, all right, next thing is this truck right here. We got to get this thing going. Without the truck, our cars are not much, so once we figure that out, we'll go ahead and update that, have some more boosty pulls in the truck too. The truck's fun also. We love the truck, you know. We love a good diesel.
What are you doing, Chandler?
Just trying to get this collar locked so I can lower it some more. This is a little update right here on what we got. Some used coils. Slightly
They don't need to know that.
used arms, but anyways, we're just trying to match the other side. I gave him a little update on the roll on the inside. We got that bent, so we're just trying to lower it a little bit more, put the rim and the spacer on, and then get a good roll. Pretty much it.